All right, guys, welcome back. Just a quick recap. In the last video, we created a quote for the UT Medical Center. We went over the precast calculator and we entered a custom item and sent it off for approval. And this time we're going to get into what's happened and the next step with the design and sales order. So here we go. So we'll go back to the design page and we'll see the University of Tennessee is the medical center. The job is under pending, so the design shop knows that this is something they need to do. They can start working on it, and it moves to in progress. And you'll be able to keep track of your tasks, your design tasks, so that way nothing gets left behind. It's pretty simple. Once you've created your shop drawing and made a PDF using Inventor or AutoCAD or Revit or whatever, you go ahead and upload it, and then it goes to the review. So the design page here is pretty simple. It's just basically just keeping track of your design tasks, right? So for all your custom shop drawings that you have to draw, just pretend that's a corbelling right there. That's a fake. That's a totally fake PDF that I made just for testing purposes. But yeah, that's where you would upload the corbelling drawing. Um, and you'll see that your sales order is still in draft mode, and you can continue the draft um, from the sales order page, or you can continue the draft from the design page. So I'll save this for later, and I'll show you. We'll go up to back to the design tab, and I'll pull up continue order, and it's showing the same ticket for the sales order. You know, your sales order is based off your shop drawings, right? So your custom drawings is what you upload. The precast items are automatically generated. The shop drawings are generated based on the configuration that you made during the quote. You can select whether or not the item has a rebar cage, it's a block out, change the color. Some items can be sandblasted as well if there's like a tread on some stairs or like an address block or something like that. So just where you can select the color, you can select different colors per line, or you can set the colors for all the items at once. And once everything looks correct, you have the correct quantities based on your shop drawings. It should match your quote. Everything should be priced on there. You can add some extra email recipients. I'll go ahead and email it to myself so I can show you what it looks like. That gives you another chance to preview the email content. You can change the message. And once everything looks good, you're ready to send, you go ahead and send it off for approval, and it sends it off to the email to your customer. And um, and you'll see that once it's sent, the design task still stays in review until it's been approved. It might come back and you might have to make some edits. So and then the sales order is moved from draft to pending approval. And we'll go over here and take a look. This is the email that the customer will receive. You'll see that they've got different documents they can download, the sales order itself, plus all of the shop drawings, including this automatically generated shop drawing of the precast calculator items. In this case, we have a manhole and the grease trap. Um, and back to the email here, they just scroll to the bottom, click review and approve, and it pulls up the approval page automatically on their phone. They can do this from their phone or tablet or computer, and they can approve or decline. And once it's approved, the order is locked in, and we'll take you back to the app itself, and you'll see that the sales order has been approved. And in addition to that, we have generated the work orders associated with this sales order. So we have the manhole, the grease trap, and the corbelling, all with the automatically projected schedule dates based on the algorithm. And you can see that that's reflected in the Gantt schedule. Uh, you can see the today line, and as we scroll down to the bottom where we see the latest edition of the UT Medical Center job that we just approved, you'll see it laid out by the piece, by the stage, so you can get a bird's eye view of everything that's happening. And of course you can collapse the view with the Gantt chart. And of course there's mold tasks that are created. Since the corbelling is a custom item, you'll have to create some molds, so the mold shop knows that there are some mold tasks ready. Um, all right, and then they're able to see the PDF. That's, again, pretend that's a corbelling drawing, right? And of course, what mold shop wouldn't like the ability to do some markups on the drawings if they want to do some notes or annotations that anybody can see and share. It gets saved into the system, and then the next person that pulls it up will see the same markups and notes. So it's just kind of a neat feature. And oh, and that's right. The uh, in addition to the work orders, the KPIs are updated for your sales and the tons sold and your profits, as well as your company's leaderboard and your market location map. So all that's updated when your sales order is approved. Um, so that about wraps it up, and we will pick up with the production flow in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out.